Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to register and enter Dall-E 2. So if you want to register and use Dall-E 2, watch this video because, well, this has the information you need. So stay tuned. All right, so the first thing you need to do is open the browser of your PC or laptop or any device, right? And go to Google, type in Dall-E 2. It's going to be the first option you can see here. And you're going to click on that, and it's going to bring you here on this website. It says introducing GPT-4, OpenAI's most advanced system, because that's the latest release. OpenAI is the brains behind ChatGPT, and now GPT-4, and of course Dall-E 2. So ChatGPT, everybody knows, is the AI bot that you can ask anything. You can make it, make scripts. You can make it do your research for you, but of course, it's not 100% accurate. GPT-4 is the new one. They say it's more powerful, it's more precise, it's more efficient. And Dall-E 2, on the other hand, is its art counterpart. So as you can see here, it says Dall-E 2 API now available in public beta. Starting today, developers can begin building apps with the Dall-E API. So what is Dall-E 2? Dall-E 2 is an AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. So it's kind of like the prompt in ChatGPT, where you need to put in the thing that you want. Like, for example, I want a hyper-realistic astronaut that is riding a dragon. It's going to give you that. So if you want to join or use Dall-E 2, it's very easy. As you can see here, it says new users can start creating straightforward. Lessons learned from deployment improvements to our safety systems make wider availability possible. So what you need to do is go here. You're going to be able to log in, and it says sign up right here, right? Click on that. It's going to bring you to this page. It's going to say welcome back. So it's either you have already an OpenAI account, which a lot of people mostly do nowadays because they do use ChatGPT. So you either log in or continue using Google or Microsoft account. So the easiest way to log in is to use your Google account. And when you do so, like if you click here, it's going to pop up your Google accounts, your Gmail accounts. And if you click on that, you're going to be brought to this page. And it's going to need you to fill up the standard stuff, right? Your first name, your last name, your birthday. Let's say to John Smith, right? And birthday is like, let's say April 12. Say April 12, 1992, right? Press continue. It's going to need your email address because it's going to send you a verification code. And after you've sent your verification code, after you've received your verification code, you're going to need to enter it on the next phase, because it's going to provide you pretty much the keys to your account, right? So once that's done, and after that, you're going to be brought to the Dall-E 2 prompt, where you can now use Dall-E 2 to create art. But take note that this is not free. You will need to provide you need to procure some credits so that you can start generating. And it's fairly affordable, so it's not really a huge deal. And that's pretty much it. That's how you register Dall-E 2 and use it. So yeah, hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.